In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads with an in-depth explanation for 2025. Whether you're a business owner looking to boost your online presence or a marketer striving to reach new audiences, understanding Google Ads is crucial for promoting your services or products effectively online. To start with, you're going to want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This site is the hub for all of your digital advertising efforts on Google, serving as your command center for setting up campaigns, defining your advertising goals, and ultimately engaging with potential customers. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, you'll notice a sign in button located prominently at the top right. Clicking this will prompt you to either log in with an existing Google account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. This account will be pivotal in managing all aspects of your campaign, so ensure you've got easy access to it. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads main interface, a platform that might seem a bit overwhelming at first glance. Don't worry though, I'll guide you through it. On the left hand side, you'll see the option to click on Campaign. Selecting this will direct you to your campaign overview page, showcasing any active, paused, or new campaigns that may exist for your account. The next step in this process is to click on New Campaign. This action takes you to a series of settings that will define the specifics of your next ad campaign. Your first decision will be to choose your campaign objective. Whether your aim is to generate sales, leads, website traffic, or brand awareness, clicking Choose Your Objective will allow you to specify exactly what you hope to achieve, tailoring your campaign strategy from the outset to meet these goals effectively. Once you've clarified your objectives, you will then select a campaign type. This choice determines the format your ads will take, which could range from search and display ads to shopping and video formats. Each type has its distinct advantages and is crafted to maximize engagement with different segments of your audience. Following this selection, you'll be able to choose the method you'd like to use to reach your goals. Google Ads offers numerous ways to refine your audience targeting with geographic, demographic, and interest-based parameters, helping ensure your ads connect with the right viewers. This step is crucial for optimizing your ad spend and achieving high-quality engagement. Finally, you'll click Continue to proceed with setting up finer details of your campaign, such as budgeting and scheduling, before launching your ad live to the public. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're now ready to launch a successful Google Ads campaign designed to draw more customers to your business, enhance your online visibility, and ultimately drive conversions. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial, and good luck with your Google Ads journey.